Maryann Shaibu, wey be the wife of the former Edo Deputy Governor, don win the title Queen of the Green for 2024-2025 after she knack one correct win for Benin Club Golf Session BCGS Ladies Tournament 2 times back-to-back. Na she be the first woman for the history of BCGS wey don win this kind back-to-back victory as the ladies overall match play champion for both 2023-2024 and 2024-2025 season.
Yes, pictures.
Reacting to the win, her husband, Comrade Shaibu, come hail her strong spirit and love for the game. Eko talks for life and for golf field, she dey always inspire and conquer with grace, strong mind and excellence. Oga Shaibu come also talk say na ogbonge achievement say she don put her name for history as the first woman for BCGS wey don win singles match play title 2 times in a row, and say her drive for excellence na wetin make her stand out. Comrade Shaibu come also hail Madam Dorothy Chukwu for her correct play and come congratulate her when she take reach final. Eko talk say na true competition dey bring out the best for champions dem, and say her effort really add to the excitement and prestige of the tournament. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.